Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple square pot holder. This is similar to a granite square, but it has less holes on it, and the corners will be done a different way. So to get started, I'm going to use my 4mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice. So to start off, make your slip knot and chain 6. And we're going to join to form a ring. Chain 3. Our chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to make a total of 16 double crochets. So we already have 1, so you have to make 15 more. So once you have your 16 double crochet, we're going to find our chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch to close our round. For our second round, we're going to make a chain of 3, and again it will be counted as our first double crochet, and we're going to make 4 more double crochets on the same chain for a total of 5 double crochets. One more. Now we have 5 double crochets, and on the next chain we're going to make 1 double crochet. One double crochet on the next, and another double crochet on the next chain for a total of 3 double crochets on the next 3 chains. On the next chain, we're going to make 5 double crochets again. So this will form as our corner. So we have 5 double crochet for the second corner. Again, 3 double crochets on the next 3 chains. So repeat again, 5 double crochets on the next chain for the third corner, 3 double crochets in the corner here, and 3 double crochets again for a total of 4 corners. So now we are done with our second round. For our third round, we're going to make a slip stitch, and we're going to slip stitch until the middle double crochet of the previous round. So this is the third. Technically 1, 2, and the third, this is the middle one. So that is where we're going to make our corner, which is 5 double crochet. So slip stitch and slip stitch again, and chain 3, and 4 more double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the side, we need to make 7 double crochets. So we have done 7 double crochets, and now we are on the third double crochet of our second corner, and we're going to make our corner, which is 5 double crochets. So you can repeat on this side, and this side to finish our third round. For our next round, I'm going to change my color. So I will just cut our main color. Then I will just make a simple knot at the back for these two. Don't pull it so tight. Then we're just going to weave those ends later. So chain 3. Again, this will be our first double crochet, and we're going to find the third or the middle double crochet, which is this one, and we're going to do our corner on that chain. So this is the middle one, so we're going to make 5 double crochets on this chain. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are done with our first corner. So for the remaining, for the side, we're going to make 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet, and you just have to find the middle double crochet wherein we're going to make our corner. So now we are on our third double crochet, so we're going to make our corner. One more. So again, that will be our repeat. You can repeat for the 3 sides until you reach our chain 3 and then the slip stitch. If you want to change color, you can do so. And we're just going to add 1 more round doing the same thing until you reach your desired measurement for your pot holder. When you reach your last round and you are on your last corner, so I made 3 double crochets out of the 5 double crochet that we have to do. So instead of finishing adding 2 more double crochets, you can make a chain of 8 and slip stitch back again. This will serve as the string, or little string that we can hang our pot holder. So this is the one. So I just made a chain of 8. It depends on how long you want it. So after you make your slip stitch, we're going to finish our corner and make 2 more double crochets. and then finish our round. If you want your pot holders to be more thicker, you can use a double strand, or you can use 2 strands of different color or the same color. It depends on your preference. Also, the finished size of your pot holder will depend on the chunkiness of your yarn and the size of your hook. So I'm going to slip stitch to finish this off. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds, and this is, let's see, this is 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. So now we're ready to cut our yarn and close it. So we just have to weave our ends also at the back. And now you finished a very quick and easy pattern for our square pot holder. Thank you so much again for joining me today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.